What's up, YouTube? This is my unboxing. I just got this in the mail, so it's a massive box. It came in a UPS. Lots of packaging film. Lots of it. I bought 6 bags of gamergrub. I bought the 4 different kinds. I bought 3 bags of pizza, 1 bag of s'mores, barbecue, and peanut butter and jelly. And I got these bags for about $3 a piece. I heard that they taste really good, so I'm gonna try them out probably. And they also sent a free thing, coupons, pretty cool, and 2 free Propel bottles. That's cool. Kiwi strawberry and a lemon flavor. I like them both, so yeah. So basically everything I got was like 6 bags of gamergrub, and they sent me 2 free Propels, so yeah. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and peace out.